Mark here was shooting target 7. Check out our new T-post leg kit. Our clever urethane T-post feet clip onto the bottom of any T-post. This bolt will later secure the chain and stays in place when installed. Start the foot, then tap it in. The hard urethane will grip the post. Next, slide the AR 500 leg bracket onto the post. For a 5-foot post, sliding it down to the anchor plate works well. Secure the legs to the brackets using the included snap pins as shown. Next, attach the chain to the lower legs using the included snap pins. Both legs should be pulled snug with equal tension. You can adjust tension individually if the post leans left or right, but it will stay straight once properly adjusted. Adjust the angle by changing the leg position or length. A 12-degree angle suits rimfire, airgun, and 9mm. Drop a sandbag on the chains for larger calibers if needed. Here, I've loaded a 5-foot T-post with our innovative NRL targets to demonstrate how easy it is to move this around. It can be moved with just one hand as I am doing here, and the legs stay where they should. Check out all the targets on this T-post, something impossible with a conventional NRL kit. This offers infinitely more shooting scenarios for RSOs and match coordinators. I've also created more space for the targets to swing, making hit confirmation easier than with conventional NRL kits. I know you guys can come up with a ton of ways to use these. That's all for now. As always, let freedom ring.